Hello everyone. So how do we put our charts on favorite list? Alright, so we have a list called favorite on WhatsApp. So we have to see which charts are going on that list. So how do we do that? Let's dive into the process by clicking on the WhatsApp app and now see which chart you want to put in the favorite list. So this is the one. So I'm going to the description area by clicking on the top area and then sliding down, and here's an option to add to favorites or to remove from favorites. You just have to click on the same option. Besides favorite, there will be an option of heart, so you can recognize it well. Now the other method to do it is to select the chat and click on three dots, and you will see option of add to favorites, similar to the one that you saw in the description area, right? So you click on that, and in the lower part of your you will see add to favorites. It means that that chat has been now saved to the favorite list, right? We can put as many chats as we want because this is a list and we can add as per our choice, and also remove it. So how do we remove it? Just again select the chat, go to the three dots and click on remove from favorites, or go to the description area and slide it down and again click on that heart thing, remove from favorites. That's how we do it. Simple, easy. And where do we find it? Is on the list. So we have all, unread and favorite. So these chats are my favorites. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, tada.